officially done in the chicken house for today, and the sun is shining. Isn't that wonderful? For now, it's supposed to snow tomorrow, so a little bit more precipitation, but with the sun out, I get to take my great-granddad's farm all out to go feed the cows with my mom getting the gates. So let's go feed these cows, and Tyler's working on bed, and I'm gonna have to finish that because he's gonna have to go take the Amishman for greenhouse supplies. Let's fire her up. Choke, throttle, neutral. Looks like we got all the helpers this morning. Mom decided to wear sneakers for the dirtiest job.
Water shoes.
Well, I drove here, so you should be able to walk up the tire track. Maybe. Just hang on to it and ride it down.
I'm gonna walk down.
Oh boy.
No,
this is why I got a GoPro. What do you call that? Make sure that the rope isn't wrapped around so I can unhook. Let me turn my wheel. Good? Yeah, it's time for a new parking spot. Paint job. See, it is tight, but not with this tractor.
You want to get this side?
Watch yourself.
Amber.
They'll pick at it and it'll disperse. Actually, she really likes to go for rides.
It's up there.
Wait, now I got the camera rolling. Say it again, because I heard the F word coming, so I stopped the recording.
My phone. Could be...
Loxie, I'm sure, is hiding it in her back pocket.
It wouldn't be here because it was on me up there.
I just remember when you were hooking to the other one, you thought you had your... Or I saw you had your phone. I said it's going to fall.
I don't know that I had it when we unhooked up there or here or anything.
Oh boy.
It could be up on the side by side.
Well, let's go.
Because it does fall.
We'll go down around where we hooked this up, take a glance, and then we'll go up there. And if you don't see it, then we'll have to go on a phone hunt. Do you see it anywhere?
I know, but it just could be under here because I took that off and we started moving.
Look on your seat. I think you'll find a cell phone. Alright, so I'm gonna this time take that out with silage so I can exchange a full silage for an empty silage. And then I theoretically don't need someone to get my gates. I've got to refill the feed cart, but in order to do that we need to grind feed. So I'm gonna knock some feed down at the bin so that it will grind, and we'll finish bedding in the meantime. So let's get back to work. So I told Tyler to bring this thing up to the shop because, well, it's a lot of oil on the side of this engine, up and around the turbo and whatnot, right on the exhaust manifolds, which are quite hot, which leads me to believe it's probably low in oil. So we'll put oil in it and blow the engine off a little bit. Alright, Dad changed his mind. Well, he didn't change his mind, but he showed up and decided we're going to go work on the fence. So we're shutting off the hammer mill, grab some fencing supplies, and we're going to go down to the southern end and work on the fence. Alright, gotta check the oil on this thing. It's not too bad yet. She is running. Pushed in a fence post up there with the bucket. Now we're going to go down through the mud hole and bury this pipe to drive across it. So we gotta get the combines. Dad's afraid that the combines are going to get rats. Well, not even that, but just there's rats in the bales. He doesn't want rats deciding to make a home out of the combine and shredding the wires like they did on the MX220. So I want to move these out. These can sit over there. sprayer always makes a smoke show to start, so I'm gonna show you a cold start on that after I connect the battery cables. So this thing was kind of run hard and put away wet. Cab never even got cleaned out. Left myself a note, the tank needs cleaned. I just winterized it but didn't clean it. So let's take her on out of here to where it's accessible to work on it. Windows are very dirty. Yeah, part of why I left these booms out is because there's a lot of slop in the boom tips. And you can see they're not supposed to do that. And also was going to weld this, finish that project, but I never did. So as I mentioned before, the concern here is that because these machines are sitting right next to the rat pile, or the bale pile, probably it is a rat pile, there's rats living underneath of it, and Dad is deathly afraid of rats and he doesn't want them to destroy the wiring harness because we put a new wiring harness in this machine. On over to let's see if this one starts. Got to disable road mode, clear all this stuff. Dad wants me to run the separator, so that way if there is any rodent activity inside. Okay, take off road mode again. What the heck? Oh, maybe they already chewed through a wire. I can hear something turning on. Let me just reset this thing. Oh my, look at that. All kinds of fun stuff. Maybe the rodents got a hold of it. Now it just won't shut up. There we go. Hey, there it works. You think I can make that?
I think it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, 20-point turn. We'll try it. It's front. Ooh, this thing does not run quite the same as the big one, which I'm more familiar with. Run the separator a little bit. I can't see Tyler. Dirty windows. I can't see my auger. Dirty mirrors. But I think now I can go straight forward. Let me just get up and look, put it apart. Oh yeah, there's like no extra room. That thing needs a little lubrication. Man, this thing is it's all or nothing. Better just get out and double check that. Ooh. Okay, I know what to do. Go back. Now we'll turn this way, and then it'll give us our little 6-inch window we needed. Yeah, that's all we needed. Like a glove. A very tight fitting glove that almost doesn't fit at all. Sneak this one right on up in here. Maybe. This is quite tight also. And the sun is now in my eyes. We're going to attempt to. Just idle it back. This thing is not the same interface as that other one. And I am not used to running this one. Yikes, that is so tight. Go a little bit more. Yeah, this is my baby. This one operates a little nicer for me. At least I'm used to it. When you're backing up, severe blind spot right behind the dual. Cannot see anything. Take a look. Oh yeah, the parking brake doesn't work also. That one's still crooked, but every time we put it right, I don't know, I think we'll try and get another year out of it and then replace the chain. Look at that sunset. Beautiful. If you take that down, I'll take this down, because we got to dig engine oil out of there maybe tomorrow when it's raining or snowing or whatever. And Dad's belly aching that this is in the way. So we'll park it in its parking spot. Back it right into the pickup head. And I'm gonna put the sprayer where the combine was, because there's less hiding places for rats on this, and it's covered in chemical residue. Wrong way on the throttle. I'm a little rusty. It's been a minute to work. And you'll see why they're broken, and then it winds up smashing the nozzles on the radiator, and then we wonder why we have leaks. You gotta just push that thing against. Same on this guy. Easy there. It's a very delicate thing to maneuver. Nope. So they've always been a problem as long as we've owned this thing, but my objective is that this year when I fold the boom tips in, that the boom tips actually fold in instead of just going in most of the way. Look at all those beautiful harvesters and sprayer. It's not so beautiful. Well, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today.